Okay, so you're just going to go to rewardstyle.com and you're going to go up here to login and influencer. And then you're going to put your login here and hit sign in. And it's going to open you up to their page. And you're going to come up here to apps. And all the way at the bottom is Link Ninja. So click on that. And then all you're going to do is press and hold this little dude and literally just drag it up to your bookmark bar. I've already got it there, and then it's literally just automatically there. It's like so easy. And so then you're pretty much not going to use the reward style actual website anymore. You're just going to go directly to the item of clothing or the thing that you want to link. So I just pulled up Carter's for an example. So you can go to like a specific, piece that you want to link. And then all you would do is just click Link Ninja, and it will automatically populate a link. The very, very first time you click it, it's going to pop this up and prompt you for your reward style login again, exact same login, but you have to do that the one time. And so after that, it's just going to do what happened here, where it's just going to pop right up. It's going to show you your commission, which looks like it's about 10% because I'm real good at math. And then you would just click get link and it's copied. And then from there, go and paste it into, a Gmail draft, a Google Doc, however you want to just keep track of a little sort of running list of affiliate links you can access. Because then from there, you can grab your phone, pull up the Gmail draft, pull up the Google Doc, whatever, copy the link, paste it into an Instagram story swipe up. So you can do that for specific pieces. You can also just do it to specific websites. Like this is the Carter's homepage. If I click Link Ninja now, it's just going to pop up with an affiliate link to the general landing page. And that's it. Just click it, automatically copied. So yeah, and if you ever if you're ever like, oh, I want to link XYZ, and the product's not affiliated with Reward Style. So for instance, like this nursing cover, you'd hit Link Ninja and it'll just pop up and tell you that, sorry, it's not supported. You can click request integration if you really care, and you want to send the company an email and say, hey, you should affiliate yourself with Reward Style. I want to advertise your stuff. But otherwise, you're just like, oh, bummer, and you move on. The only reason you might ever come back to Reward Style is, obviously if you want to check your balance, but if you were just looking for stuff to link to, and you were striking out piece after piece that, wasn't supported, you can come here and click on advertisers and it gives you this crazy long list. You can see how tiny this little bar is. This list just goes on forever. So if you want to just come here for inspiration, to just try to find brands, if you're trying to put together a guide or you just want to find something to link to or what have you, you can come and kind of look through this list and see if you see brands that you recognize and want to use. But otherwise, that's it. And so it's super duper easy, and I just love it and think it's brilliant. And the app is cool, but it's a lot, and it's really only meant for people that are gonna that it's their full-time job, and they have Instagram accounts dedicated to fashion and just but otherwise it's not even worth doing the app. Just stick to the website, stick to the Link Ninja add-on, and you're good to go.